The night before Christmas in Wonderland 2024. When I saw the title, it put me off. I thought, what a mouthful. What on earth's this all about? The night before Christmas in Wonderland. Oh, no, I'm not watching that. Just for that moment, I saw that. Then I noticed it was just 80 minutes in length. And that length really appeals to me, especially on that particular day. I'd been travelling cross country, I was tired. I just felt I needed a film that would ease me into a soporific state. Short film will help me relax and maybe sleep. And this did the trick. And it was amusing and it was well animated. And I loved the rhymes. There's all these couplets. It's a nod to Alice in Wonderland, I guess. But since then, I've watched Wizard of Oz. I'd never seen it before. And I wish I had seen it before I saw Wicked 2024. Wicked didn't make as much sense to me. I should have seen this a few weeks ago. Wizard of Oz. And now a few things make a bit more sense about that storyline. Going back to the night before Christmas in Wonderland, it's impressive. I think it's because it's in the build up to when Santa has his major trip around the world. I gather that he's a subordinate clause to borrow a joke of someone from Threads, the husband of someone of Threads. Santa Claus is a bit part in. Santa is another of Mrs. Claus's little helpers as such. Jessica Claus's grand scheme to spread generosity around the world with all those presents. I've seen a few films in which it's Christmas Eve, or maybe it's Christmas Eve's Eve. There's all this stuff happening, and there's this reindeer side bet going on about what chaos may unfold, what mishap. They have a sweepstake on exactly what will go wrong on the night. And that's the sort of humour that I really love. It's almost like you've got a big project ahead and you're working in the office. That's the sort of thing that colleagues would do. Well, what's the thing that's most likely to go wrong? You know, it's sort of joyful side bets, a little event that people would do because they know something's going to go wrong, but they just don't know what will go wrong. The gist of this story is a late arriving letter. It's just been delivered, and when Santa opens it, he finds out it's from a little princess. He really wants to help her. She's in Wonderland and she wants a Bandersnatch. And I've not heard of a Bandersnatch, but once I've seen what a Bandersnatch is, I absolutely love it. I just so love the animation in this film. Animation can be so brilliant. It allows the imagination to go wild, and the creative geniuses behind this film really have gone wild, and I think it's beautiful. And I think they must have probably had to tread carefully because one of the reindeers, I mean, they've got 8 reindeers out on the trail. But then there's Robin the reindeer who has a bad cold. And I was thinking, does he have a red nose? No. That's not the implication in this story because it's Robin. I had a little look on Wikipedia, which is a brilliant website. I saw that there's a copyright involved in the particular reindeer in question. So 10 years before that, I have a theory on why this reindeer is called Robin. Because Robin I always think of as a little red-breasted bird, beautiful bird that's the national bird of the UK. Did you know it won a popular British vote in 2015? So Santa and the reindeers all who go in pairs as they fly off into the sky. They set off to Wonderland. Oh, there's chaos. There's an awful situation. There's a lot of misunderstanding. Something has gone seriously wrong. But it's so funny. Oh, there's this wicked queen, and she really doesn't like Christmas. I think she does because she doesn't like Christmas. She takes a hairdryer to a snowling. I'm calling them snowlings, gender neutral. They're little witticisms that cause me to laugh. I find it really entertaining. The whole story, there's a lot of the characters from Wonderland. There's the hare, is it the hare? In charge with delivering a letter and all the chaos that ensues from that quest. It's brilliant. And there are modern elements that take us up to 2024, at least well into the 21st century. GPS tracking, all that sort of things. Oh, it's brilliant. It appeals to my inner kid. Oh, wow. I'd have loved this story if I was 7 years old. I still love this story now in my middle ages. I hope you like it too. I'm going to score it 9 out of 10. I certainly wasn't expecting to score it that highly when I noticed it in the streaming service. I don't know any young kids of the age when Santa Claus matters most, but if you do have them, I'd say this is good fun, but it will also hopefully appeal to many adults as well. It's the same as me. The voices are by Gerard Butler and Emilia Clarke from Last Christmas that I reviewed last year. So that's my review. I'd love to know what you think. Thanks for watching. If you like this film, hit the like. Thanks for subscribing if you do. Hit that bell for notifications, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.